Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on a 2009 Honda Ridgeline with a really nasty fender dent up on the body line. We're going to go ahead and take this out using paintless dent repair, so stay tuned. Here's a look at the damage on this 2009 Honda Ridgeline fender. Now the customer had something fall out of their garage and put a big dent in the top of their fender here. Now the dent on the body line there is so deep it actually displaced and pushed the metal outwards, causing an outwards buckle there, just shown. So there's quite a bit of technique here involved to get this damage back out, especially with it being in a body line and as deep as it is, but it's no problem for us here at Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Here's a look at the finished results in this fender. As you can see, we're able to get that body line back out into its original shape without harming the paint finish on this fender. If you liked what you saw or learned anything today, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see future updates and other repair tips and techniques. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.